Assistant Curve Auto Grading. First, choose this tool. If you want to set its auxiliary line, follow the sideline to put the code. We use the mouse directly. Click on the intersection of the auxiliary line and the sideline. And we can zoom in on that. What else? We can also cancel the automatic code placement of the auxiliary line. We use the Shift key. Switch its properties. You can see that the cursor has changed. After, let's click the intersection point where we want to cancel the automatic code placement. So now I've clicked. Then we put a code on its sideline. I can see it's not following our sideline. Then I'll switch back and try it again. Click on the intersection again. Then this is how we set and cancel the use of the auxiliary line automatic code placement tool.